Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening to wherever you are watching from. As you can see, I have returned from France, and if you haven't seen vlog number 1, that is up on my channel. But I wanted to show you guys some Louis Vuitton that I bought there because if you didn't know, shopping in Europe is so much cheaper than shopping here in Canada and even the US. So if you're going to Europe, highly recommend sticking around to hear how I saved a couple $100s on these pieces from Louis Vuitton. And also, Mother's Day is coming up. Don't forget, we are so close to Mother's Day. And I partnered with Ana Luisa to show you some timeless pieces for any generation. They are also having up to 25% off their jewelry right now for your mom. So if you have not thought about a Mother's Day gift, stay tuned because I'm about to show you some amazing pieces. So without further ado, let's get right into it. I've done many videos with Ana Luisa. They've given me so much jewelry, and fun fact, I've actually given some to my mom. She really loves it. Honestly, they have very versatile pieces for any generation. Right now they're having their Mother's Day sale, so they have jewelry that does it all, just like the mom that does it all, which is perfect. Such a cute little campaign that they have going on. They sent over some pieces. I did pick out some for myself and then some for my mom as well, but they can work with either or. First thing that I picked up is for my mom, of course, but I could also wear it. Their Pebble silver chain, actually a necklace, and I really like how unique this piece is. My mom really does love unique pieces like this. As I saw it, I was like, this is definitely my mom. And Luisa has a lot of different options to choose from. I did choose the silver one for my mom. She likes to wear more silver. However, there are gold options. I'm going to try to take it out really carefully, but again, I am going to sneak this in with another gift that I have for my mom. It also does have a bit of a longer chain that is adjustable. And always it comes with these cute travel like storage pouches, so I am also going to gift her this along with it. Next up, we've got some earrings. So they have hoops, bigger ones, silver, gold, whatever it is, but I really like these. I think they're just really cute, dainty. This is their Lena studs. I also picked up the Debbie studs, which these are so cute. I love the shape to them, and it actually matches the bracelet that I have. It is one of my like everyday staple ones. It is this one. This one right here, as you can see, it matches it perfectly, so it's the exact same shape, which I love. So I'm quickly just going to try on both of these. Gone ahead and put them on. This is what they look like. I love them. And last but not least, I picked up a necklace. I got this just with a little P on it. My boyfriend's name is Pablo, if you don't know. This makes a great gift because it is dainty, it is tiny, it's cute. Pablo actually has one that has the A on it, and he wears that one, so I wanted one with a small little P on it. This makes for a great gift for your mother, the mom of your friend group, the plant mom, dog mom, whatever mom is in your life, a friend even that you want to gift something to. This is a great option. Honestly, any pieces from Ana Luisa are a great option, and I love them, which is why I will never say no to their jewelry. It lasts a really long time. They do have a 2-year warranty, and honestly, it's been great. I've had all my jewelry, not a problem with any of it. High quality jewelry at an affordable price. I believe it starts at $39, which is great. This is it. Super cute. It also does have different lengths depending how long you want it, as you can see, but I just put it on the shortest one. But shout out to Ana Luisa for partnering with me on today's video and for having up to 25% off for Mother's Day. Make sure to check that out. I will have it linked in the description, so click that if you want to learn more information and see all the great pieces that they have. But moving on to Louis Vuitton, I'm so excited that I get to add stuff to my collection. I really like getting pieces that are kind of like exclusive to where we go. So when we went to Italy and Florence, I went to the Gucci Gardens and I picked up a wallet for myself and for my mom as well. Those are only found there. And so in Paris, I saw that they had like a Louis Vuitton cafe. We also did go to the Dior cafe, which will be coming up in a future vlog. You'll also see these in a future vlog as well. However, Mother's Day is coming up, so gift ideas needs to show you guys that. But I wanted to pick up something that we couldn't get here in Toronto. They had such great like coffees and pastries there. I could not believe it. And then they had chocolates that we could bring home, which this is, or was I should say, because my parents did eat it all. I did bring it back for my parents and my brother to try. I just wanted them to have like, you know, a bougie chocolate experience because I loved it. But this was filled with chocolate and it had its own little box. It's now empty. There's a little bit actually because I do want to do a taste test with you guys here. But how insane is this for chocolate. Like they even have the leather little handles, and it has each of the like Louis Vuitton symbols. It's insane. It's such good quality for chocolates. I will let you know though, the chocolates were pretty pricey, not gonna lie. They were like 100 euros, so most expensive chocolate, but each of them did have different layers. I'll have a picture on the screen for you guys. So that's what it looked like prior to everybody eating it, but you opened it up and every page had like a little description of what the chocolates were. So this is the first one, and as you can see, there is one left inside. I actually didn't try this one, and so we're gonna try it together. For $100, I will say the chocolate was really, really good. I also got like truffle hazelnuts. I think that's what they were called, like truffle hazelnuts. Those were so good. I wish I could have brought like 5 more boxes of them, but again, they were pretty pricey for chocolate. But this is what this one looks like. It's like a crispy with some caramel inside. Also, if you like my nail color, we got it in France. Pablo actually picked it up at the French pharmacy. It was on like the checkout aisle. He actually picked 3 colors. I really love the red of this. I think this has like peanut butter. This says peanut, Madagascar, vanilla, caramel. These flavors are in there. The peanut butter is not like overpowering. I feel like it just is so good. The chocolate, the peanuts, the caramel. Oh yeah. Money well spent. The middle one, I'll show you another picture of that one. I'm reusing it, so I do have some pins that I got from Paris, also the ribbon from my other purchases, and then the little receipts as well. I'm just keeping it in there to just store because I am keeping the box. The box is way too cute to throw, and I'm not planning on throwing that out. And on the bottom, it came with 2 of these chocolate boxes on the inside. I did eat one with Pablo already, but we have some extra in here. This is what the chocolate looked like, and again, you can see it says Louis Vuitton. These ones were really good too. It's like little crunchy pieces on the inside. I don't know if you'll be able to see that. The chocolate's like melts in your mouth. If I could have brought home 2 boxes, I definitely would have, but we just did not have space in our suitcase. Like, it was a struggle. One thing to note is they don't have a VAT refund on food and chocolate. I asked at Louis Vuitton because, like I said, I spent over $100 just on the chocolates, and usually when you spend over 100 euros, you do get a VAT refund, like a little receipt that you go to the airport and you get your tax back. However, she told me that they did not do that on food. However, I wasn't even mad about it because I knew right after that I was coming straight to pick up some pieces, and honestly, I am so happy. Kind of regret not buying more, and I do want to say, like, I am so thankful that I even get to purchase this. It's such a dream come true, and I really appreciate each and every single one of you being here. I do also have a $100 Lululemon gift card giveaway happening on my channel right now. If you don't know about it, I will have more info in the description. But I just can't believe like things like this is real life. Like, even just going to Paris, France. Like, I don't want to talk about it too much because it truly makes me so emotional and insane. Like, the roller coaster of last year, I'm gonna start crying. The roller coaster last year of like losing my dog, like, trust me, my dog was on my mind a lot during this trip. I got this portrait of him done at Disneyland Paris. You can see at the bottom it says Disneyland Paris, and this is actually the photo. The fact that in a 12-month span, Pablo and I went to both Italy and France is insane. I'm just so grateful for each and every one of you, and that I get to do things like this. Even the fact that I get gifted things from like Anna Luisa and things that I get to give to my mom as well and my dad. I'm just so thankful and appreciative of every single one of you. So I do just want to say that I don't do these videos to like brag. It also just makes me excited to show you guys everything that I shop and what I buy, and like if I can help you guys save money, I love doing that. And I definitely saved some money here in France. So we went to the chocolate store as we did, and I actually purchased something that I almost did not purchase, and I almost got another one, but I am so thankful that I purchased this one. So this is something that I wanted for like 2 years now. Not this exact one, but I wanted a different variation of this, and since we were there, I was like, this is the item that I'm gonna pick up there. And I saw this at first and didn't like it, but the more I looked at it, she brought other kinds of it. I was like, that is the one. Just give it to me. Just take it, wrap it up. This is mine. This is the Louis Vuitton passport holder that I picked up, And if you can see, it does have the Eiffel Tower. It says Paris. Like, it is just something that I'm gonna look at all the time when I grab this, when I travel, and it's just gonna remind me of Paris, and I absolutely love that. And she did let me know that there was only a limited quantity that were made, and once they were gone, they were gone. It's actually sold out on the Canadian website. I actually couldn't find this on the Canadian website until I went to my purchase history, and then it does show up on my account now that I purchased it in euros. So I was able to click it like that, and that's how I found it. But other than that, it is sold out in Canada. I love it. First of all, the detail of it, super cute. I love the little stickers, remind me of just like the stickers you put on your luggage when you travel. Love the reds. It has some spaces for cards, places to put your passport, your boarding pass, papers, anything like that. They have other colors that are honestly a little bit more basic, and that was the one that I originally thought I was going to want until I saw this, and I just am so happy with it. I love it. I purchased this for 365 euros, which translated to my Canadian bank account to be $548.99. I got back $57 and some change. In total, after everything, I spent $491.99. We're just going to round it to $492. I know it's expensive, but it's just a little piece of Paris that I wanted to bring home and have with me everywhere I go. And on the Canadian website, this retails for $585 plus tax. So the grand total for that is $661.05, which means I saved $169.06. Almost $200 savings just by purchasing it there. And so another item that I got, this one also caught my attention. Such a pretty color. I love it. I honestly kind of want a purse in this color. Maybe next time for the next vacation that we go on, I'm going to start saving for that. But item number 2, I had to pick up this really pretty card holder. So pretty, and I love the little subtle Louis Vuittons in there. And then it also comes with these 2 charms, which are so cute. This one was 350 euros, which translates to my bank account to be $526.42. For this, I haven't gotten the VAT refund just yet, but it should be around $40. So we're just going to say that it's $40 right now, which makes the total around $486.42 for this. But if I were to go into a Toronto store right now and purchase this exact same piece, I would have to pay $638.45 for this exact same item. So by purchasing this in France, I saved $152.03. So adding my savings for both of these together, I saved over $300. If you want to see how I saved $1,000, check out the Italy haul. I will also have that in the description, where I saved $1,000. So buying in Europe is so much better than buying here in Toronto. But that is everything for today's video. Again, shout out to Anna Luisa. Definitely check them out for Mother's Day, up to 25% off. I will have it linked in the description. And thank you guys so much for being here and watching today's video. Make sure to stay tuned for all of the France vlogs, as well as the giveaway that I currently have going on. But that is everything for today's video. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, give this video a big thumbs up, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye!